Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see how much booking credit you have on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that Airbnb gave you credit due to a missed reservation. Maybe the Airbnb that you booked before wasn't described as you was hoping it would be, and so they gave you credit back. How do you actually go ahead and see how much booking credit you have? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the way to actually do this is first you're going to click on the Airbnb app, and then from here you want to click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to click on Payments and Payouts, and then from here you want to click on Credits and Coupons. So once you're on this page here, you're going to see your booking credit and your gift credit. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see how much booking credit you have on your Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.